Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational Channel. Now we are continuing the matrices 2 marks questions second part. These questions are very important for the annual exam 2021. From this topic we are expecting more questions, so that's why keep concentrate on these questions. Look at here now. If A is equal to this matrix is given, he says that is symmetric matrix, then find X. First of all, symmetric in the sense here, if A equal to A transpose, then we can say that that is symmetric. If this condition is satisfied, then it will be a symmetric matrix. So then it is symmetric. In this case, Aij is equal to minus Aji. Sorry, Aij is equal to Aji, means this is A11, A12, A13. This is A21, A22, A23, and this is A31, A32, and A33. Here we want A32 value, right? A32 is equal to, according to this A23 na, Aij is equal to Aji in the sense A32 is equal to A23. So A32 is nothing but X. What is A23? Second row, third column, 6. So like this we can solve the problem. In case of symmetric matrix, Aij element is equal to Aji element, means these two must be same, and this must be same, and this must be same. A12, A21, A13, A31, A23, A32. So we want A32 element na, that is nothing but X, and A23 is nothing but 6. So X value will be 6. Like this we can solve the problem. Next, right, here the matrix is given and he says that the matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. Then we want to find out the value of X. Right, if A is equal to minus A transpose, then it is skew symmetric matrix. If A is equal to A transpose, that is symmetric. If A is equal to minus A transpose, then it will be a skew symmetric matrix. In this case, Aij is equal to minus Aji. Previously Aij is equal to Aji, but in case of skew symmetric matrix, Aij is equal to minus Aji. So now this is third row, second column now. This is A32. A32 we want. According to this, what is this? Minus A23 na? Minus Aj. This is equal to A. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. So this is the element. So minus of minus 2. So then A32 is equal to 2. Is it clear now? 2 minus 2 is yes, sir. This one. 1 minus 1 is there. Here minus 2 there means minus of minus, that will be 2. Like this we can solve the problem. And in case of the skew symmetric matrix, always observe the principal diagonal contains always zeros. So this is very, very important. From these two questions, definitely we will expect one question for the annual exam. Right, one more question. If A is equal to one matrix is given here, in that one unknown value is there, and he says that determinant of this matrix is 45, then find X. So first we will calculate determinant for this here. Det A is equal to, how can you calculate, sir? 1 into row and the column. So the determinant of this one, 3x AD minus 24. AD minus BC. First 1 into AD minus BC. Next plus 0 into, sorry, minus 0 into, according to the form. In this position, the cofactor value will contains minus here. Minus 0 into something, it will be 0. Plus 0 into something here. 0 into this one, AD minus BC. Whatever it may be, 0 into something will become 0. So now, det A is equal to 3x minus of minus plus here 24. But given Det A is equal to how much? 45. So both are debts only, na? Just equate that. 3x plus 24 is equal to 45. 3x is equal to 45 minus 24. That will be 21. X is equal to 21 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja. So x value will be 7. Once again, 25 minus 21, 21. Yes, 3x will be 21 and x value will be 7. Like this, we can calculate the answer. Right. We have to find out the adjoint and the inverse of this matrix. Right. If we consider this as A set. So adjoint in the sense here, the transpose of cofactor matrix. So before going to cofactor, we want to find out the minor. Right. First, we will find out the minor of A. Minor of A is equal to minor of cos alpha. Omitting row in the column, we can get cos alpha. Minor of minus sin alpha. Omitting row in the column, we can get sin alpha. Minor of sin alpha. Omitting row in the column, we can get minus sin alpha. Minor of cos alpha. Omitting column in the row, we can get cos alpha. So this is minor of A. Right. Next, cofactor of A. Minor and cofactor differs in the odd positions. Odd positions in the sense this is A11, A12, A21, A22. 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Even position. 2 plus 2 is 4. Even position. 1 plus 2 is 3. Odd position. 2 plus 1 is 3. Odd position. In these two positions, minor and cofactor will change. So that's why this is cos alpha. And here it will become minus sin alpha. And this will become sin alpha. And this will be cos alpha. There is no change in these two elements. The sign will change in these two elements. So this is cofactor. Now we want adjoint. Edge A is equal to cofactor of A whole transpose. So now edge A is equal to transpose. So row will becomes column, column will becomes row. So that's why this column will becomes row here, cos alpha, sin alpha. And this column becomes row. So minus sin alpha, cos alpha. This is adjoint of A. So adjoint is over. Next, we want inverse. A inverse equal to adjoint of A by det A. Adjoint A is already there, sir. We will find out det A here. Det A is equal to AD minus BC according to the formula ABCD. AD in the sense this one, cos alpha into cos alpha. Minus BC in the sense here, minus sin alpha into sin alpha. Now this is cos square alpha, minus of minus plus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. This is the first identity. So now what it will becomes? 1 by determinant value will be 1 and adjoint of A will be cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. So 1 by 1 is in, there is no change. A inverse is equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Like this we can calculate A inverse.